I got you something. Look in the trailer.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta help me. We gotta get it out of there.
This one's a lot cleaner.
It is a lot cleaner. It's a little bit older, but it's got less miles. And a functioning dipstick. So we gotta get that out of there, because I gotta get the Milano in here today, okay? You man?
Yep.
Clean all the garbage out of there.
Clean over.
See all that stuff? Because we gotta pull this plate off and put the right bracket on.
Yeah.
Ready? Gonna be loud.
I have a second motor.
I asked a bunch of people looking for your brother's motor, and then this guy got back to me later, and I couldn't pass it up. So now we have one. So we're collecting all the 5.3s in the county. We're hoarding them all up. So you gotta take all these 8 bolts out, and we'll put a lifting bracket in there so it's not so sketchy this time, okay? That's the goal.
What are we gonna do to get this one?
Now after a while you can just use your fingers once you got them loose. So you're just going back and forth again. Just take it right out with your fingers. Okay, here. We're done with the wrench.
I thought there was one more.
Is there one more? Oh no, there's one more. It's all you, man. Probably just use your fingers, it'll be quicker.
My watch surprisingly isn't dirty.
That's good. It's good, buddy. Just use your fingers.
I'm not using my fingers.
Okay, it's good. Just pull it out. You got it. Alright. Pull the knock sensors out.
Okay.
Don't need those.
Get those out of here.
There we
That's
go.
dusty.
See down in there? Yeah. It's all rusty. All that stuff just fell down in there. Check this out. Use this.
That is red.
Bolt it.
The spinner thing is really good. Ow.
Did you do bonk your elbow?
Yep, right.
Yeah, that sucks.
Okay, come on.
Get a good squeeze on each one, because that's how we're going to pick it up.
Oh, heavy.
That's good. I have no idea.
It's supposed to be 1 ton.
1 ton? Oh, our lift?
Yeah. It's a lot of pounds.
Oh, you know the drill.
It's not gonna reach.
It's going to reach. We'll figure it out.
Well,
Trust me.
maybe we'll have to move the trailer back. We can call this the second motor.
Motor 2. That way you can paint it whatever color you want.
Red.
You want to go red?
Yeah.
I figured you'd like red.
Yeah.
Couple more cranks.
Red is my favorite color.
There.
Bro, it's floating.
There goes the trailer.
Holy crud!
Back to this. Got it, steady. Now I'm putting all your motor stuff in that corner over there. You go set it over there by that green crate. It's your junk pile. Let's do a couple parts. Scoot that up and we can put this on. Okay? That's probably good, bud. Keith, that's probably good. Let that do that. Hold it in, bud. There you ready? Take it, Sarah? I need you supporting.
Or you want me to get up closer?
Videotape me and you can put in this motor. You got a ways to go.
Yep.
Want me to take over? You got it. Oh, you're doing good.
Here's your T-Rexes. You see them now and T-Rexes all over.
Don't try that at home. You got it right there. Tighten up.
Now what was it?
Now turn it the other way. Righty tighty.
This is the intro to the Metallica song. Oh, hey guys. We have to take all the stuff off from this motor to get it caught up with Bud's motor. And we're going to start painting.
Start wrenching.
Okay, where is the wrench? Now each LS motor is up to mine. Now, that's the end of this episode. Next episode we're going to clean this up and then paint them. See you next time. Bye.
Something. This was extra birthday stuff. It's a new toolbox, and then you can. These are yours. You can put your own tools in it. Okay.
Cool.
New wrench. What do you think of that?
Cool. How do you open this thing?
Lift it up.
Here we go.